When it comes to outdoor adventures, few experiences rival the simplicity and satisfaction of cooking a delicious meal in the great outdoors. Camping stoves have become an essential companion for nature enthusiasts, providing a reliable source of heat to prepare hot meals and beverages, no matter where your wilderness wanderings take you. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker, a weekend camper, or a backyard cookout enthusiast, finding the best camping stove can elevate your outdoor cooking game. In this guide, we'll explore some of the top options on the market, each designed to deliver convenience, efficiency, and culinary excellence in the midst of nature's beauty. In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best camping stoves available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the camping stoves list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the camping stoves mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Naturehike Multifunction Camping Stove. The Naturehike Multifunction Stove, model, CNH22CJ014, is a versatile and reliable camping equipment designed to enhance your outdoor cooking experience. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this portable split stove is the ideal companion for adventurers seeking warmth and sustenance in cold climates. With a maximum power output of 2.7 kW, it efficiently heats, boils water, and cooks your favorite camping meals. The inclusion of an ignition device ensures hassle-free operation, while its compatibility with butane fuel guarantees convenience. Compact and lightweight, this stove unfolds to a size of 1.5 to 1.53 2.5 cm and weighs just 1.5 kilograms, making it perfect for small groups of less than 3 users. Trust the Naturehike brand name for quality outdoor gear that originates from mainland China. Elevate your outdoor culinary endeavors with this dependable and efficient camping stove. Number 4. Wild Journey Folding Camping Gas Stove. Introducing the Wild Journey IGT Slammer Folding Gas Barbecue Grill, a versatile and convenient addition to your outdoor cooking arsenal. This gas stove, crafted from robust stainless steel, is perfect for all your grilling needs during home gatherings, outdoor vacations, travel, camping adventures, and more. With a spacious design and the capability to serve over 5 users, it's the ideal choice for group gatherings. The one-piece structure ensures stability, while the included ignition device guarantees hassle-free operation. Designed for normal outdoor usage, this grill is far from disposable, offering long-lasting performance. Originating from mainland China, this grill is a reliable companion for culinary journeys under the open sky. Please note that this product is not certified. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with the Wild Journey IGT Slammer Folding Gas Barbecue Grill, a stainless steel kitchenware stove that brings the sizzle to your adventures. Number 3. Fire Maple Hornet 2 Titanium Gas Stove. The Fire Maple Hornet 2 Titanium Gas Stove is the ultimate choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking an ultralight and compact cooking solution. Crafted from exceptionally durable titanium, this stove weighs a mere 48.5 grams, fitting easily into your pocket or travel backpack. Its folded dimensions of 50 by 50 by 80 mm make it highly portable, and it comes with a convenient carry case for storage. Despite its small size, this stove delivers outstanding performance, boasting a rated power of 2500 W, 8531 BTU/H, and the ability to boil 1 liter of water in just 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Designed for various outdoor activities, including traveling, trekking, climbing, backpacking, camping, and fishing, it offers versatility and convenience. The improved design features a windproof burner top, a stable triangular pot stand, and a screw thread connector for compatibility with butane-propane mixture gas cylinders. The Fire Maple Hornet 2 titanium gas stove is your reliable companion for gourmet meals in the great outdoors. Number 2. BRS Folding Double Camping Burner Stove. The BRS Folding Double Burner Stove, model BRS32, is a versatile and efficient outdoor cooking solution designed for camping and adventure enthusiasts. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy and stainless steel, this double burner stove provides individual control with 2 separate switches, allowing you to precisely adjust the heat for your culinary needs. Its compact and foldable design makes it highly portable, with unfolded dimensions of 415 by 18 by 95 mm and folded dimensions of 300 by 65 by 95 mm. With a power output of 1940 W per burner, this stove offers a total of 3880 W for quick and efficient cooking. Featuring 8 wind deflectors, it's suitable for use in high-altitude conditions. While it does not include an ignition device, the BRS32 is compatible with butane fuel canisters. This dependable outdoor furnace is a product of Leaf Tour and originates from mainland China, certified with CE quality assurance. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with the BRS Folding Double Burner Stove for a hearty and satisfying meal under the open sky. Number 1. Fire Maple Star X1 Camping Stoves. The Fire Maple Star X1 Camping Stove, model, FMS X1, is the ultimate cooking system for outdoor enthusiasts seeking efficiency and convenience. Featuring a heat exchanger design that reduces wind and speeds up boil times by 30%, this stove ensures you can prepare your meals quickly while conserving precious fuel. Weighing a mere 511 grams and with a nested design, it's incredibly compact and lightweight, making it perfect for backpacking and hiking trips. The built-in piezo electric igniter provides easy and instant ignition, and the sturdy anodized aluminum pot with an insulating neoprene cover guarantees durability and safety during outdoor cooking adventures. Suitable for 2 to 3 people, it's perfect for drinking hot tea, coffee, and more. This versatile cooking system is ideal for various outdoor activities, including camping, hiking, fishing, and picnics. Please note that this set does not include a fuel canister but is compatible with most options. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with the Fire Maple Star X1 Camping Stove and enjoy delicious meals in the wilderness. In the world of outdoor adventure, choosing the best camping stove is essential for culinary success and overall enjoyment. From compact, ultralight options for backpackers to versatile, high-performance models for larger groups, there's a camping stove to fit every need. These portable marvels not only provide the means to cook delicious meals but also offer the convenience and reliability necessary to turn any wilderness excursion into a gastronomic delight, making them an indispensable tool for outdoor enthusiasts everywhere.